Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting new journey that I genuinely believe will transform your chess game. We're diving deep into the endgame, often considered the most precise and decisive phase of chess. You know, many chess players focus heavily on openings and mid-leg game tactics, and that's great. But the truth is, a significant number of games are won or lost in the endgame. It's where slight advantages are converted into crushing victories, and seemingly lost positions are miraculously saved. Masterful endgame play is often the hallmark of a true chess champion. In this new series, we're going to demystify endgame theory. We'll explore converting advantages into wins. Many games don't end with a spectacular checkmate in the mid-leg game. Often, a slight material or positional advantage in the mid-leg game translates into a winning endgame. If you don't know how to convert these advantages, all your hard work in the earlier phases can be wasted, and a winning position can slip away into a draw or even a loss. Endgame knowledge provides the roadmap to materialize your superiority, saving lost positions, drawing from worse positions. Conversely, a deep understanding of endgames allows you to defend seemingly lost positions and fight for a draw. One knowing fortress constructions, perpetual check possibilities, or specific drawing techniques with limited material can be a lifesaver. A player with strong endgame defense can often frustrate an opponent who lacks the precise technique to convert their advantage. Better mid-leg game planning. This is a crucial, often overlooked benefit. When you understand endgames, you can make more informed decisions in the mid-leg game. You'll know which exchanges are favorable, which pawn structures led to good endgames for you, and which endgames to avoid. This endgame vision guides your mid-leg game strategy, allowing you to play with the end in mind. It helps you assess whether simplifying to an endgame is beneficial or harmful. Improved calculation and precision. Endgames often have fewer pieces, which might seem simpler, but they demand extreme precision. A single misplaced move can turn a win into a draw, or a draw into a loss. Studying endgames hones your calculation skills by forcing you to analyze long, concrete variations with absolute accuracy. This precision then translates to other phases of the game. King activity. In the endgame, the king transforms from a vulnerable target to a powerful attacking and defending piece. Mastering endgames teaches you when and how to activate your king, allowing it to support pawns, control key squares, and even deliver checkmates. 4. Understanding piece values and coordination. With fewer pieces, the relative strengths and weaknesses of each piece become much clearer. You learn how different pieces coordinate to achieve objectives, such as promoting a pawn, creating a mating net, or building a defensive fortress. This deepens your overall understanding of chess dynamics. Time management. In time scrambles, endgames frequently occur when both players are low on time. A player with strong theoretical endgame knowledge can rely on ingrained patterns and principles, making faster, more accurate decisions under pressure. This can be a decisive factor in competitive play. Psychological edge. Knowing you're strong in the endgame gives you confidence. You'll be less afraid to enter simplified positions, and your opponent might be more prone to mistakes if they know they're facing an endgame expert. World chess champions who excelled in endgames. Throughout chess history, nearly every world champion has been a master of the endgame, as it's an indispensable component of elite play. However, some have been particularly renowned for their endgame prowess. Juan Jose Raul Capablanca, often called the human chess machine, Capablanca's endgame technique was legendary. He possessed an almost unparalleled precision and intuition in simplifying positions and converting small advantages. His games are a treasure trove for anyone studying endgames, particularly his masterful use of the king and his ability to squeeze wins from seemingly equal positions. Anatoly Karpov, known for his incredibly patient and positional style. Karpov excelled at accumulating small advantages and then converting them flawlessly in the endgame. He was a master of prophylaxis, constantly anticipating and preventing his opponent's counterplay, which often led to endgames where his subtle advantages became overwhelming. His rook endgames are particularly celebrated. Magnus Carlsen, the current world champion, though he's given up his classical title, he's still widely considered the strongest player. He's arguably the greatest endgame player of all time. Carlsen possesses an uncanny ability to grind out wins from positions that most other grandmasters would draw. He combines deep theoretical knowledge with an exceptional practical feel for the nuances of endgame play. often outplaying opponents in incredibly long and complex endings. His squeeze technique and ability to find hidden resources are truly remarkable for Mikhail Botvinnik, a highly scientific and analytical player. Botvinnik emphasized deep preparation and logical play, which extended to his endgames. 6. He was known for his rigorous approach to converting advantages and his understanding of pawn structures in the endgame. 5. Bobby Fischer, while often remembered for his dynamic and aggressive mid-leg game play, Fischer's endgame technique was also exceptionally precise. 7. He was known for his clear thinking and ruthless efficiency in converting winning positions. These champions demonstrate that endgame mastery isn't just about memorizing theoretical positions, it's about a deep understanding of fundamental principles, precise calculation, and the ability to find the most efficient path to victory or draw in simplified circumstances. 8. So, if you're ready to unlock a new level of chess mastery, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes, and leave a comment below telling me what endgame topics you're most excited to learn about. Let's elevate our chess together. I'll see you in the first lesson.